Make 2025 the year you achieve your biggest goals with the power of accountability. Learn strategies to stay committed, overcome obstacles, and keep your progress on track. Welcome back to Thrive in 5, where I give you a quick burst of motivation and productivity in 5 minutes or less. I'm Cindy, your host, a self-made entrepreneur, busy mom, and business coach. I've built and sold several digital businesses ranging from 5 to 6 figure successes. So when it comes to managing time and priorities in both life and work, I get it. I've been there, and I'm here to help you thrive. As we dive into 2025, many of us set ambitious goals only to find ourselves struggling to stay on track a few months or even a few weeks into the new year. So how do you maintain momentum and make sure your goals don't fall by the wayside? The answer lies in the power of accountability. Today, let's explore how holding yourself accountable and having others hold you accountable can make all the difference in reaching your goals. Accountability is more than just checking a box. It's creating a system that keeps you honest with yourself. One of the most effective ways to do this is by involving others on your journey. Whether it's a friend, a colleague, a business coach, someone that you can share your goals with adds a layer of commitment. Why? Because it's no longer your secret. Someone else now is invested in your progress. For example, if you're working on launching a new project by mid-year, tell a trusted mentor or coach. Schedule in regular check-ins to discuss your progress and any obstacles you're facing. Knowing that you have an upcoming update makes you a little more likely to stay focused and be proactive. Here's the thing, friend. When life gets busy and motivation starts to dip, having someone remind you of why you started and push you forward can be a game changer. If you've struggled with accountability in the past, consider formalizing it. Hire a business coach or a life coach. They can help bring structured guidance and fresh perspective, helping you break through those plateaus and avoid common pitfalls. If this resonates with you, feel free to message me. I'd love to support you on your journey to success in 2025. Remember, accountability isn't about pressure, it's about partnership. It's a gentle nudge, the cheerleader, and the reminder that your goals are worth the effort. Whether you set up an accountability partner, join a mastermind, or work with a coach, having someone in your corner keeps you motivated, resilient, and on track. That's all that I have for today's episode of Thrive in 5. Here's your action step for today. Reach out to a friend, a mentor, or a coach and share one of your major 2025 goals. Set up a plan for regular check-ins to keep your momentum strong. I hope these strategies inspire you to make every minute count in 2025. Thanks for spending these 5 minutes with me on Thrive in 5. If today's tip was helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and share with another amazing person who could use a little productivity boost. And tag exclusively Cindy on social media. I'd love to hear how you are using these tips and which ones are your favorite. Until next time, stay focused and keep thriving.